Hi guys, online prop firms. There's so many to choose from, but are they right for you at this stage in your trading career? So I'm going to take a look at today. Let me know in the comments if your experience is the same or if you've got a difference of opinion. But my experience is taken from seeing hundreds of traders go through this path of trying to get a funded account, and the majority end up in the same place. So let me know what you think. Cheers guys. Hi guys, Common Trader Problems Episode 2, funded accounts. People think that funded accounts are the saviour, the thing that's going to take them from 9 to 5 to full-time trading. But they're missing a huge amount of work in the middle. Funded accounts will cause most traders a bigger problem than they foresee. A new trader, they find out about these funded accounts. They feel that they can do a trading course, learn a strategy, put that into practice for a few weeks, a couple of months, and then they feel like they're ready to then go and take a challenge. They feel like they can pass the challenge, and then they feel like they can extract money using that account consistently. So what you're basically saying is that you can become a professional trader, consistently making money from the markets after a few weeks or a month's work, learning somebody else's strategy that isn't even tailored to you. So funded accounts, people put them on a pedestal, so they cause so much emotion, they bring so much emotion into people's trading because they think that's the answer to all their problems. So with trading, you need to learn your technical analysis, you need to learn how the market moves, you need to learn how the fundamentals drive the market, you need to learn how to execute and optimize a strategy to your personality and your emotions, your psychology. You also need to learn how your emotions actually work, how they're triggered from the markets. You need to learn about your risk your risk appetite. It's trading a funded account challenge straight away. You're not going to learn anything because I'm always certain you won't pass the challenge, and if you do somehow, then you'll fail the verification, and then there's a high probability if you get past that, you'll lose the account anyway. You need to trade for at least a year and prove it to yourself that you can consistently take profits from the market before you even entertain taking a funded account challenge. Now a lot of people are going to think, oh whatever, I'm just going to do it anyway. I didn't take any advice off traders when I first started, the first couple of years, and then over time I realised that everything I was told was right, but I just assumed that I could go and do it anyway, and I was wrong. So you need to do all those things that I've said, to create your own strategy, then put it into practice, and then take a challenge. Instead, doing a challenge and failing a challenge, it just puts so much emotional pressure on you, and it teaches bad habits. So instead of learning how to trade and letting a trade play out, giving it a lot of breathing room, noting the amount of drawdown it does, noting the amount of profit that it goes into, taking an average of these over the months to work out how accurate your entries are, all you're doing is you're getting in, and if a trade goes wrong, then you're just getting really emotional, and the emotions then cause you to take incorrect actions because you're just trading from emotions rather than looking at the charts and seeing what's in front of you and taking in the market environment. It's just too much pressure on a trader. I think that although the funded accounts are an amazing thing for people who are good at trading but they lack capital, but for a new trader, they're literally one of the worst things that could possibly have been invented. So to get a place at a prop trading firm, a real actual trading floor which give you money to trade from, because that's what a real trading floor is, they give you capital to trade, you have to build up a portfolio, a trading history, and then you'll show that, and then you'll get a place at the trading floor based on your trading history. Now a prop firm online, you know, they've turned it into its own financial market. So what's the financial market? It's people who can trade that take money away from people that can't. Now what are these funded account companies? So people who pay to take challenges lose money, and then the people who can trade and they take money, extract money from these accounts, they make money. So the losers are paying for the winning trades. Exactly the same as the financial markets. It's just a miniature version. The people who fail on the challenges is just the liquidity to pay out the people who can trade. Now, if you think that every funded account, the trades go through to the real markets, you're completely wrong, because they don't. Most of the people who are winning traders get paid out from the losing challenges. Now, once a trader builds a good history with this prop firm, then they will copy the trades and put them through to the market. So it's just their business model. They're just optimizing, but they know most accounts will be lost. So why are they going to copy the trades and put their company's capital at risk? So everybody who gets a funded account, the trades don't go through to the market. You just get paid out by losing challenges. But once you build up a good history and prove yourself as a trader, then your trades may be copied, but it's irrelevant, because you're still going to get paid out, from the losing challenges or from the market. They've just created their own miniature financial market, and it just preys on people that see this funded account on a pedestal, and it's just, they're so emotionally drawn to it that it's everything's stacked against you. So you really need to go and trade for a year and prove it to yourself that you can consistently take profit from the markets, and then you can adjust your strategy to try and make the 10% or whatever they set the targets at for a funded account challenge. It's the only way. Like, a lot of people might think, oh, I can do it. I'm not the same as everybody else. Like, everybody says that. You just got to go on the law of averages. And unless you've got that experience and the data to back you up, then I would just stay well clear of them. But once you do build up that confidence and you prove to yourself that you can trade a strategy consistently, then go for it, because it's a brilliant thing to have. But until that point, I would just stay clear of them, personally. And that's it. A quick one. It's one of the most damaging things that a new trader could come across, in my opinion, because it just makes you just an emotional trader, because it's the goal at the end is so close but so far, and it's for me, it just damages a trader's mindset going forward at a time where you just need to be in trades and let them breathe and collect data. That's the only way to learn to be a trader, not through taking funded account challenge after challenge after challenge. It's just not the way. Okay guys, next episode in a few days. Hope that helped, and I hope it might make some people think about what they're doing, their approach to trading, and maybe save them a bit of money in the long run, hopefully. Cheers guys.